Good morning. If you have not figured out already, I'm at the zoo today. So happy Monday, and I will be teaching you virtually. So today we're going to start on ratios and proportions. And if we're thinking in terms of the real world, if Margot, Rhonda, and me, I was going to make them dinner, okay, and I was making, I don't know, mac and cheese. And so for three of us, I need a half of a cup of cheese. Well, then Christian and Husamar and Ethan decided to join us. And I have 3 and 3 now. So I need a half a cup and a half a cup. So I would need a whole cup. And so that's essentially what we're doing here today is figuring out that one variable. And it's pretty easy, okay? You just need a calculator. So stop and get one. So the rule is, and you've learned this before, cross multiply and divide. So 4 times R is 4R. 5 times 10 is 50. Okay, and then on your calculator, we're gonna solve for R. So you're gonna say divide it by 4. Okay, and most of these you're gonna need to do on your calculator. So when you say 50 divided by 4, you're probably gonna get something that looks like this on your calculator. Okay, make sure you hit that S to D button. Okay, we don't want it in a fraction, we want it in a decimal, so 12.5. Okay, and that's all we're doing. And I'll do a few more on the front and then just a couple on the back. So 3 times x is going to be 3x. 4 times 7 is going to be 28. Okay. And if you want to skip the step, so you know you need to divide both sides by 3, you totally can, or you can do the writing out. So you're going to get x equals, and it's going to be 9.3. Okay, if you get more than a single decimal, just leave it at the single, okay? 6 times 7 is going to be 42. 2 times x is 2x. Okay, and then we're going to divide by 2. So you're going to get x equals 42 divided by 2. You're going to get 21. Okay, so it's nothing crazy today. The back side is going to get a little harder, so let's go to the back side. Okay, and let's start on number 19. So some of these you're going to get something where it's plus, and some of these you're going to get where it's times, but the steps are still going to be the same. Okay, so 8x or 6x times 8x. And here's a different way that you can go about looking at it. You're going to put the ones with the x part in parentheses, okay? And I think that will help you a little bit. So 8 times 6x, and this one's not as bad, but you're going to multiply the big numbers. So, oh my gosh, I cannot think. 48? Yeah. You get 48x equals 21. Okay, and then we're going to divide by 48. Okay, and so 21 divided by 48 is going to be 0.43. Okay, and on the back page, I want you to do the first 2 decimal places if there is one. Okay, the ones where it's something like plus or minus is going to get a little bit more complicated, and I'm sorry because I did not leave you very much room, but you're going to say 10x plus 3 equals, and you're going to get 16. Okay, you need to distribute that to both pieces. So 10 times x is going to be 10x. 10 times 3 is going to be 30. Okay, and still, that looks like a problem we've done many, many times. Okay, so what needs moved first? We're trying to solve for x. Okay, well, you're going to minus 30 from both sides first. And you can write it off to the side if you want to. I did not leave very much room. I don't know why. I really have no excuse for my behavior. Okay, and you're going to get negative 14. And then our last step is going to be to divide by 10. Okay, so you're going to get x equals, well, you're going to say negative 14 divided by 10. Okay, and you should get negative 1.4. Okay, and I'm sorry I'm going so fast. It's first thing in the morning and the bell's going to ring soon. Okay, you're going to multiply, cross multiply and divide. So we got 4v plus 5 equals 80. Okay, well, 4 times b is 4b. 4 times 5 is 20. Okay, and we're going to subtract 20 from both sides. Okay, and I'm going to continue this over here. So you're going to get 4b equals, well, 80 minus 20 is going to give you 60. And then you're going to divide by 4. So you're going to say 60 divided by 4, and that's 15. Okay, I'm going to do one more. Maybe stop, pause the video, and make sure that you try to solve this one on your own, and then you can push play and make sure you did it right. So, pause it for real. So you got 2k minus 3 equals 45. Okay, we cross multiply. So you get 2k minus 6 equals 45. So we're going to say plus 6 plus 6. You get 2k equals 39. And then we're going to divide by 2. Okay, so 39 divided by 2, you're going to get 19.5. Okay, you guys are going to go through, do the rest. When you get finished, put them in the box, or if you're not in the room, you can give them to one of the teachers, and they will put them in the box for you. So have a good day, and I will see you guys tomorrow.